maybe bifido.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So I've finished the course of redoing that. So out of everything that we've learned, I kind of felt that the kefir was probably my best place to start.
Thank you very much.
Or should I alternate between, because my gut, I've got candida in my gut, I've got leaky gut, it's a mess, and I haven't had sugar for almost 2 years and my body still can't heal. So would it be beneficial to alternate between the two, or just stick to one?
My recommendation for you is maybe get the leaky gut thing sorted first before you start on these. So maybe follow FODMAPs. You're probably doing FODMAPs now.
No, FODMAP doesn't.
Or autoimmune.
Autoimmune.
Yes, autoimmune.
Because I can't do pseudo grains or anything like that.
So give it some time. Give it some time to heal that lining first. And stay clear of things like,
But how long should that take? I've been on autoimmune from November.
it's
The
a fair bit of
implant's
time.
taken out for 2 months now. Tomorrow will be 2 months. So I'm figuring it should be okay.
How are you feeling?
I feel a lot better, but
bloating,
I do get
tenderness?
nervous. That's all fine. The only time I had distress was I tried to reintroduce tomatoes in, and I was sick for 4 days.
Nightshade.
Right, so I kind of like, no, seeds and nuts are okay, but I don't feel good. I know it's not affecting me if I get tired, really, as soon as I eat, if I get tired and then I get sick. So, do I just continue on? At what point? I mean, really, is a healed gut mean you can pretty much eat anything and you should be okay?
You should, assuming it's clean and there's no nasties and stuff in there.
Oh yeah, no, my food's
But having these, because I've had a lot of the same issues, having this, isn't it healing the gut as well?
It is.
that's my food.
It's very clean.
It's clean as. That's what I do. Yeah, so it should be, there's nothing in there that...
Do you have any data on protobacteria or...
Other than doing the stool test, I did a bioabsorption test. I've done a chemical testing. No, I did chemical, not heavy metals. I'm going to have heavy metals. I also did a DNA test, which I've got the
MTHFR.
motherfucker gene. Got that. So there's a lot going on, but I've got the 2 phases of detoxing, so
It's good.
that's good.
Great.
It's not all bad. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of with you. I'm thinking, wouldn't having the kefir help the healing?
I think what you're describing, I think it will be beneficial to start trying it.
Yeah.
Maybe start on water kefir.
Okay.
It's a bit more gentle, less strains.
Yeah.
Also supplementation with acacia fibre will be hugely beneficial.
Okay.
Just to build up a bit of those.
Can I get that from your mum?
Yep, there's acacia fibre downstairs.
Yeah.
So this is going to boost your gatekeeper bacteria, Bifidobacter, lactobacilli.
Yeah.
Akkermansia, you want to do some sort of fasting protocol to help that. Also polyphenols will help.
I do fast, but no more than 15 hours a day. I find it's too much, and then I do too many fasts a day, like 5 to 6 hours between meals.
Right.
So.
Which I think you're going to be fine because you're doing so much fasting anyway.
Yeah.
So acacia fibre, fermented foods. Start really slowly. Maybe first couple of days try a teaspoon, wake up to a tablespoon. Monitor for any bloating, discomfort, diarrhea, and then gradually just build it up. And then you will adjust the gut bacteria. Make sure you're having bucket loads of vegetables.
I do.
Lots and lots of veggies.
Yeah.
Fibre.
Yeah. I love my veggies. But I still can't overdo that either because then I've got to manage my insulin. Because otherwise, I eat about 50 grams of very good high fibrous vegetables.
Great.
So I try to get my 25 grams of fibre. I try to do everything right. Yeah.
Sleeping well.
Try to.
Stress management.
Meditating daily.
Meditating,
yeah,
great.
I had to change I haven't been able to exercise because I was bedridden from a breast implant illness for about 8 months. Wow. So that shit tore my body apart. Yeah. So, but I'm starting to get more movement back. Hence I'm here, which is good.
It's good to hear.
So the acacia fibre. So that's from the berry, is it?
Acacia fibre is like this sap from a tree in Africa, but it's great for people who have some sort of digestive discomfort.
Yeah.
Because it's not like phocinolin, which is another one, which can really create gas.
Because I use psyllium husk.
Psyllium husk is good.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Lots of fibre. The other one to look at is lactulose, which is another good.
Okay.
Start with acacia fibre though. I won't bombard you too much because that's a nice, easy one that won't create. It's FODMAP friendly. It's not going to create discomfort in the gut.
Perfect. Great. And then I'll start with the water. Okay.
Water kefir, and then slowly add more.
Thank you so much. Thoroughly
my pleasure.
enjoyed the
All
session.
good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.